So if you guys follow my TikTok, you will know I'm in Winchester, Tennessee. I moved up here and the Corvette made it from Louisiana to Tennessee with no problem. Didn't give me one issue, and we stopped in a parking lot for literally like 2 hours to take a nap because I was tired as fuck when we left at nighttime. But it did good, okay? Car ran the whole time. Didn't give me one issue. It does have high miles, and the harmonic balancer needs to be changed. Tear in the driver's seat, and it's 2 doors. I want a 4-door manual, so I'm getting a CTSV. Maybe, possibly, who knows? But I mean, this car did me great. Y'all know I got it on the trade. I took it to the drift event. All the videos are in the description below if you missed any of that. But car's been cool. It's nice owning a C6, but I can always own another one. So let's see what this CTSV looks like. Yep, so I did the trade, of course. And the reason I did that, so it was more pros than cons trading for the CTSV. What the hell? Let's see what this is. All right, that is non-stop where we're living. Just because there's this mountain in front of our house and people go and ride it. There's trails all through the mountain. But I did trade for this CTSV. The pros and cons. The pros, it's 4-door, it's Cadillac, it's still a manual, and it cuts the fuck up. It's got lower miles, no problems that I'm aware of, and I've been driving it for about a month now. I done took it to Louisiana and came back. This video is really late. I should have posted it before, but the way my videos were dropping, y'all are seeing it now, so I'm sorry for that, but here it is. So it came with these rims, and it has an extra 2. They're black, so it's 6 rims total. And in the V1s, they're known for having a glass rear end. Basically, they break a lot if you make the rear end jump. But he got an extra diff. So an extra diff came with it. It is a BTR Stage 2 cam. It has leather interior and needs cleaning, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty sweet. It's got the sunroof. It even has heated seats, which my Corvette did not have, so that is definitely a freaking pro. It has good audio. And I have 2 15s I can put in the trunk. So that's really dope. And everything works. Ice cold AC. It's dirty right now, as you can tell. But sunroof works. AC works. Everything works. It has lower miles than my Corvette had. It does have body damage. But luckily, I asked my dad before I got it if he can fix it and paint it for me, and he said yes. So I took it to Louisiana, and he checked it out in person. He was like, we can definitely do that. So right now I'm saving to get it painted. Let's check out the motor for you guys so y'all can see what's all in it. Boom. Yes, sir. It's a little dusty right now, but you see the oil catch can. Amazon Pro. No, it's got cold air intake. It's been freaking worked on, as you can tell. I'll put videos after this of us driving it up the mountain and down the mountain. I did donuts and a little rollback in my people's front yard, so there's not many places for me to slide around this town. I found one parking lot, and I'll put the video of that after this. Yeah, I slid it around a parking lot, and it did good. I slid it in grass. It did great. I've been driving it everywhere, and it's been an absolute awesome car. Honestly, I'm falling in love with it. I didn't know if I wanted to keep it, but more I drive it, more I freaking want it. This is the body damage, so I can either fiberglass this and rebuild it, or I can get a new one. This has surface rust, so don't think this is real rust, but it's the beginning of it. But no, it's really not that bad. My dad said I need to shut this door. I did not shut it earlier when I came out. But yeah, dude, it's a cool car overall. I really like it. I'm gonna get clear headlights and tail lights for it. No one really, they got a couple drift builds. They got no really stance cars, but like for the V, there's stance CTSs, and there's no Vs that are stanced or anything like that. So I want to be the first to JDM out this motherfucker. Like, hey, prove me wrong. If there's other people out there, I would love to see y'all's builds, but I've been searching and I can't find anything. And I also got rims for it. So y'all ready to see these rims that I'm gonna put on it? Right now it's 6 lug. I'm gonna be 5 lug swapping it so I can run these rims. Y'all ready? Here you go. Boom. Yes, sir. I got the full set of these puppies. They're in perfect condition. They got good tires. And yes, that's the extra set that came with it. They're black. I got the other one. I got the whole set. I don't know why just these two are in here, but they are in here. So yeah, I will be JDM this bitch out. So if y'all want to see a CTS-V, a cammed out CTS-V, absolutely JDM'd out to the max. I mean, I'm talking about, it's got Megan coilovers right now. I'm slamming them coilovers down. I'm throwing them rims on it, and hopefully I can get it painted sooner than later. But yeah, guys, this is it. I'm stupid excited. So let me stop talking and to show y'all guys the videos of this thing. Alright, so honestly, I fell in love with this CTS-V. It's pretty dope. Yeah, if I would have waited a little longer, I probably got a cleaner one, but I just liked how clean this interior was on this one, and it was right here. The dude drove it 5 hours to me. I had to get it. So yeah, we're at CTS-V now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys for the next one. Check out my TikTok for more content. Post a lot more on there.
with a dead bitch and a swisher lip. Drug kick, got a half tick with that.